Hello friends. Now when we have understood about a bit of DAX functions and about the terminology or structure in a DAX function, now it's trying to do some basic operations, operators basically, how to use the basic operators in DAX and what are those operators are. So there are in that particular page where we are in that reference page of Microsoft, I can see in that particular page where we have seen about the functions. Let me minimize this function. Let me minimize this statements. There are DAX operators, and what those DAX operators are. Operators are operators are the simple calculations that we need to do in our day-to-day life. Some are called arithmetic operators like plus, minus, multiply, divide, or exponential, or something like this. Let's do something out of this. Now, in our table athletes facts, we have a count of gold, silver, and bronze. Let's suppose if I want to take the total of all these three columns gold, silver, and bronze. Again, I will go to the table tool. I will click on the new column. Fine. So before the equal to, that means here is the name of the column that I have to give. I'm giving the name as total medals, and here I will simply add gold plus silver plus bronze. Now I need to know, I know how to pull that particular column. For that, I will take athlete's fact, and in athlete's fact, I will pick a column that is gold. Simple plus again athlete's fact silver. My bad. Here I have taken game ID. I think I should have taken gold, silver, and athlete's flag bronze. By simply selecting the column and putting a arithmetic operator between them will give me the right result. So by this way, I have added the total medal, that is a summation of gold plus silver plus bronze. Wherever it is required to subtract, I hope now we can do subtract and divide also. In this particular project, I don't need to do that arithmetic operations. So this is just for the demonstration purpose that I did here. So in this link, I can see that there are so many other operators also. Apart from arithmetic operators, we have something called comparison operator. So equal to is required to compare it in equal to. Double equal to is required. It can be used for strictly equal to, greater than, less than equal to. This symbol greater than, less than, and greater than in a combination is used for not equal to operators. There is one more important operator that is called concatenation operator. So wherever, uh, let's suppose in my regional dimension table, I need to create one more column that should be a combination of region and name of the country. For that, I will add new column. They both are my categorical column. I can say the name of the column as combo region. And here, I will first select the region. I'm not going to take the table name again because I'm working in the same table. And with a simple and I will select the NOC also, and it will give me the answer. It will combine Germany and GER, Germany and FRG. What if I want to add one space or common in between them? Then I will make one more and in between I will write within the square bracket a comma. It will simply concatenate. I can add space also. It will give me this. I can write pipe also. So it will concatenate the region, concatenate the pipe, and concatenate the NOC and give me here. So this AND is used to concatenate two columns together. Right? What are the other operators? There are some logical operators also. So It is double end, double pipe, and in. Let me use that those also. Let's suppose not in athlete's fact. Let me give you a good example. Yeah, let's suppose in game dimension, I want on one more column, which should be summer of 2012. I want to make a column which should give me a flagging of true or false on the basis of summer 2012. For that, I will go for the table tool. I will add a new column. Let's suppose I want to give this column name as summer 2012. Now, I'll give one condition on the basis of column season. So first I will pick my column season. I'll say if season is equal to summer. Let's suppose this. I'm giving this condition in a bracket for a safer side. So give me a new column name. That column name should be summer 2012, and just check if the condition is summer is equal season is equal to summer. Then give me true. So this is this is a uh, logical operator, and I will get true, false, true, false. So wherever there is a summer, it will give me a true. Now, what if I have one more condition of year? If I will put double and give it one more condition, here is equal to 2012. Oh, I got an error. So the error is, remember I said that whenever there is a text in nature, then we have to give the code. If it is numerical in nature, we should not give the code. 2012 is a number. So that's why it is giving me error. Now, how this double AND operators is working? Let's understand this. So this will basically AND the condition. So it will see when season is equal to summer and year is equal to 12, when the both the conditions are true, when in double AND, when the both the condition are true, it will give me true, otherwise it will give me false. Let's suppose when there is a summer, see here only in the second line, when there is a summer, just a minute, when there is a summer, year is not 2012, it is 1948, then it is a false. Whenever the condition season is equal to summer and year is equal to 2012, both are meeting, then only it will give you true, otherwise it will give you a false. And the opposite of this is a double pipe. It is a or condition. It will check whether either of one is true. Either season is equal to summer or year is equal to 2012. Either of the condition is true, it will give you a true, otherwise it will be a false. So this is a kind of a conditions that we use to define when we will do some analysis using our data. We have learned about the addition. Addition and all the arithmetic operations are easy thing that we did in the athlete's fact. Then we did the concatenate function, and now we are doing the logical operator kind of thing. These are called logical operator. One more logical operator is left, that is in. We will learn that. But before that, when we put double and, that is a and condition. And condition says when both the condition are true, it will give me true. When I put double pipe, that is a or condition. Or condition says if either of the condition is true, I'll give the true. Right? Now, one more logical operator is left, that is called in. Let's suppose in the Eclipse fact only. Here again, I'm again in that table, and I want to make a flag for winners. So whenever in the medal column there is a either gold, silver, or medal or bronze, give me the winner as true, otherwise false. So I'll take a condition. I'll make a one more column here, new column, and I will say that the name of the new column is winner, and I'll say that condition is, I'll select the column first, middle, in. Now I will use curly braces. Inside the curly braces, I will write gold, silver, and bronze. I'll close the curly braces and I'll press enter. Let's see. So whenever it will check, this operator will check in the column middle, and it will check when it is the gold or silver or bronze, it will give me true, otherwise give me false. Yeah. So whenever there is any value, it is true, otherwise it is false. So these are the kind of operators that we use for our analysis in DAX function. So these are fast in comparison to M language, right? It is very fast, but somehow we need to take the help of this document, that how to write these functions. But these functions are very important in terms of analysis. First, we see we saw the arithmetic operation where we go to the total medal. So total medal was nothing but a summation of three different columns. So we have taken the first column, arithmetic fact gold, then addition of arithmetic fact, athlete fact silver, and then plus athlete fact bronze. When we know how to do the addition, we can try doing the subtraction, division, and multiplication also. Then we check about some concatenate function. That concatenate function I perform on regional dim. In regional dim, we have taken a combination of region and name of the country. The operator used to concatenate two functions is single and. Single and. When we did it, we found that there should be a some delimiter between these two columns. That's why I added a pipe in double quotes so that both the columns can be segregated also. After that, we tried some logical functions like and, and double pipe. So double and is used when both the condition is required, or is used when any of the condition is okay. Then I can use double pipe thing. And finally, we checked the in operators. So in operator in particular column check for certain values. If it found those values, it gives some answer. Otherwise, it will give you the false. So these are the basic DAX operators that we will use to build our logic, build our algorithm, build our analysis, build our insight. Right? In next video, we will learn about the DAX functions in detail. Till then, thank you.